This business can make $30,000 a month and it needs nothing to get started. Let me show you. So for this business, what you're going to do is make YouTube videos that are tutorial style, showing people how to do email marketing. And then from those YouTube videos, you're then going to level up into consulting. From consulting, you're going to level up into building an agency. And then within that agency, you're probably going to discover that there's all of these pieces of software that you could build that will help you internally within your workflows, but you can also sell externally to other people that are doing email marketing. Anybody can start this business. That's the whole point of it. You need nothing to get going except a laptop. And in this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step process, everything that you need to know to start this business. Hi, I'm Cody Schneider. I've been doing digital marketing for 15 plus years. And this is a great business for anybody to start as their first business because it's super low barriers to entry. You don't have to have any special skill set, and you're going to learn all of the things that you need to know to operate this business later on by doing all of these tutorial style videos. So there's a natural progression with the layers of complexities of this business. And as you climb each ladder within this growth journey, what you're going to find is that you're going to be able to make more money at each tier of the complexity of this business. So to start this business, the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to create YouTube tutorials showing people how to use specific email marketing tools. So what I'm showing here on the screen is an example of this. So what I did is I isolated all of the keywords related to how to XYZ on MailChimp, just doing a broad match. And you're going to see all of these there. So I'm going to include a link to all of these keywords in the description below. You'll be able to access these for free and you can start tomorrow with all of these keywords. And the reason we're doing this is because for all of these keywords, we already know that people are looking for tutorials that are related to this. And if I take one of these and I go and I search on Google, you're going to see the first things that come up are these YouTube videos. And so by creating these tutorial videos and then posting them to YouTube, we can rank on Google for these highly competitive keywords. And we're going to get inbound people that are going to go and watch these videos and learn from us. And then through that, they're going to build trust with us. They're going to subscribe. They're going to continue to watch those videos. And then on YouTube itself, they're going to get distributed out every time that you drop a new video to any of those people that have consumed those previous videos. Now, there's thousands of these keywords. You could do this probably for the rest of your life and make a business out of this. You can see here, there's 11,000 of these different keywords. You can also do this for different tools. So another one would be how to XYZ Clavio. Another one would be how to XYZ ConvertKit. The list goes on. It's infinite. You can do this for any of the other email marketing tools that are out there. So you're posting these videos and you're starting to get traffic. And what's great about starting in this place is that it solves three different problems for your business. It solves the cold start problems that most companies have when they're trying to get momentum early on. So it solves your distribution problem. You get to get in front of an audience and build trust with them. It also solves your ability to create revenue rather quickly. So with a YouTube channel, you can monetize those videos as you're building out this whole library, this back catalog of content. And so that's an immediate way for you to make revenue. You can also go build an email newsletter that you include a call to action to in those videos for people to go subscribe. An example of what that ad would look like is this: go subscribe to my email newsletter at the link in the description. And then the other thing that you're going to do is go and look for affiliates or look for companies that you can do sponsored videos with. There's thousands of companies that are in the email marketing space that will want to sponsor your videos. So you can have three different revenue channels there. You can have revenue from the ads. You can sell ads on your email newsletter, which also creates revenue, and you can get revenue from the affiliates. What is going to happen is that you're going to get inbound leads of people asking you to do this for them. They're going to watch your video and they're going to see, this takes a lot of time. This person has a lot of knowledge about this thing. Let me just go and hire them to solve that problem. What you're going to do is you're going to go and structure this business. So what you're going to create is a consulting company. In consulting, it's just you working. You're basically fulfilling and doing the client management. A lot of the times the threshold for that is about 5 to 8 clients. You would go and you'd charge $2,000 a month, and you're going to offer unlimited email marketing services. This is going to include design. This is going to include copywriting. This is going to include the deliverability management. All of these things you're going to learn by doing these tutorials. And through these tutorials, again, you're still making this revenue. You're still making this money. So let's say you get 5 clients and you're charging $2,000 a month. You're now at $10,000 a month and you've just replaced your corporate salary. And so what you're going to do after this is then create an agency. So this is how you actually make great money when you're doing service type businesses like this that are on the internet. You're still doing client management, but you're hiring a team out to assist you in the actual production process and also the management of those clients. And this is how people actually make wealth. It's when they sell other people's time and they take a rake on top of that time that they're selling. So let's do the math real quick. Say I needed a staff of 10 people, and those 10 people, just to make it easy, they cost me $2,000 a month. And so my cost would be $20,000 a month to pay those salaries. But those 10 people, if they can each manage 5 people, and we're still charging $2,000 a month, that allows me to make $100,000 a month in top line revenue. And so what my margin will be is about $80,000 a month. So when you scale that up, that's about $1 million a year. And people actually do this. This is the agencies that they run. These are the unit economics that people are thinking about when they're facilitating these agencies. So where do you go and hire these people and find them? A company that I love is called talentfiber.com. What they do is headhunting for the best global talent. You basically come to them with a job description. They're going to go find the best talent for you and return back with candidates. Why they can find the best talent is because they have physical offices in Manila that offer the benefits that the most premier talent are looking for within that country, the Philippines. And so because of this, they're a magnet for good talent. All right, so you've done the YouTube channel, you're getting all of your inbound leads, you built your consulting, and now you're building your agency. And what you're going to naturally find is that there's all of these ways that you can optimize the workflows that your team are going through to make your company even more productive. So an example of this is you're going to design a ton of different emails. And what you're going to find is that it's a super tedious process, but AI is incredibly good at programming this type of HTML emails. So then you're going to create a tool internally for your agency that speeds up your team's workflow, but you can also go and you can spin it out into its own separate company. So how do you actually build this software? You can use a company like HTML Burger. I worked with them for years. They're amazing. Tell them I sent you. And they're great to build software from 0 to 1. So initially do that first build. And the reason you want to do this rather than hiring an individual is because it's extremely hard to find somebody that can build software completely from 0 to 1. It's way more likely to find an individual that is really good at doing incremental improvements. And we'll get back to that in a second. But before we do that, why you should hire an agency is because they have this whole team that can swarm a project. So in 4 weeks, they can take your idea from non-existent to now it's a fully functioning piece of software. And then once you have this piece of software that's functioning, and again, use a company like TalentFiber to go find global talent that can work as a full stack software engineer for your business. And that's how you can make these incremental improvements on the software that you built. And that's how you can start a business that makes $30,000 a month with 0 startup costs. I'm Cody Schneider. Follow me on Twitter and follow me on LinkedIn for more like this. And subscribe to this YouTube channel if you want more content like this on a weekly basis.